So friends, today I am going to visit Bagmane Constellation swimming pool. So today is weekend, today is Saturday, and I and one of my friends decided to visit and go for Bagmane Constellation swimming pool for swimming. So you can see that this is the path. So friends, this is Amazon building. So this is Amazon Aquila building of Bagmane Constellation. This is football court. This is called life. No other profession will give us this much facility as we are getting in software industry.